Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer clips videos from phone to phone and phone to PC. First, download and install the app on both devices. Once done, launch the app and tap More. Next, under the other tools, tap Phone Transfer. Tap the avatar from the available devices shown on your screen. Once connected, you can now transfer the clips video you wish to transfer. Download and install the program on your phone and PC. From your PC, click Launch AirMore Web to connect and scan the QR code that will appear using your phone. Once connected, click the videos icon, then select the clips video you wish to transfer. Once done, click the export icon. And that's how easy to transfer clips video from phone to phone and phone to PC. Thanks for watching!